In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the opacity of an image on Visme. Whether you're creating a presentation, a flyer, or even an infographic, adjusting the opacity of an image can give your design a new level of depth and style. Let's dive right into it and explore how to effortlessly change the transparency of any image within your Visme project. First, locate and click on the image you want to edit within your Visme design. This action will highlight the image and bring up additional options in your editing toolbar. It's important to select the correct image, as this will ensure you're making the desired changes to the right element in your design. Now, navigate to the Effects option and select Customize. This area is where you can manage various aspects of your image's effects and get into the nitty-gritty of customization. In the left toolbar, you'll notice a Photos section with an Effects subsection. Click on that to access the area where a vast array of effects are housed for your image enhancement needs. Within this Effects section, click on the Customize button. This button is your gateway to modifying the opacity and various other properties such as brightness, contrast, and saturation. In the Customize panel, you'll notice a slider specifically for opacity. This is where the magic happens. The slider controls how transparent or opaque your image will appear. Dragging this slider to the left will increase transparency, making your image more see-through, which can be especially useful for background elements that should not overpower text or other images. Conversely, moving the slider to the right will make the image more opaque and less transparent. This adjustment is perfect when you want to emphasize a particular image, bringing it to the forefront of your design. Once you've found the right balance and are happy with how your image looks, it's time to apply these changes. Simply confirming or applying the effect ensures that your transparency settings stick, allowing you to admire the seamless blending of your image with the rest of your design elements. But what if you change your mind, or accidentally move the slider too far in one direction? No worries. Visme makes it incredibly easy to revert back to your original settings. You can quickly reset your changes by clicking the Reset or No Filter button. This handy feature allows you to explore and experiment without the fear of permanently altering your image. And that's it. Adjusting the opacity of an image on Visme is that simple. With these steps, you can effortlessly add layers of creativity to your projects, ensuring your designs are not only visually appealing, but also strategically composed. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing the designs you create with this newfound skill.